Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel French avec Tuhin. So guys, I hope you are all doing good and I hope you are really excited about the FIFA World Cup that has been started right now. I am too much excited guys. I don't know which team I'm going to support it right now. And as we all know, the FIFA World Cup is one of the biggest sporting events in the world. And here in Europe, I see that the atmosphere is really great. The football fever is on. So that's why I decided to give you some vocabulary, some knowledge related to football and the World Cup going on. So guys, today we are going to talk about what are the important vocabularies, what are the important things that is related to football. So I'm going to give you. So the first one is the World Cup. Just repeat after me. La Coupe du Monde. La Coupe du Monde. So basically, when you speak it very fast, you just say it like La Coupe du Monde. La Coupe du Monde. So for the FIFA World Cup, you can just say La Coupe du Monde de FIFA. Okay. The next one is the teams. For example, we have a lot of teams here, and we have about 32 teams in the World Cup. So how to say the teams in French? So l'équipe, l'équipe, l'équipe de France, the French team. Okay, so and the next one is the ball. So it is an important thing, and le ballon, le ballon, le ballon, which is the ball which they play. The field in which they are playing, it's called le terrain. Le terrain. The field. Le terrain. And one more important thing is le maillot. Le maillot. The jersey. Le maillot. I hope you are fond of some jerseys in this World Cup, like jersey number 10 of Messi or 7 of Ronaldo. So le maillot, le maillot de foot. Le maillot de foot, it means like the football jersey. Le maillot de foot. Le maillot de football actually, but in a colloquial way they just say it as le maillot de foot. The next one is le but. Le but, which means the goal. Of course, one of the most important aspects of this game, le but. And the place where the match is being played is called stadium. So it means le stade. Le stade. Le stade. Le Stade de France, one of the national stadiums of France. Le Stade de France. And the last one is, so if you want to say you're supporting any team, like if you want to show your support to any team, so in French, literally we say it as I am for this team. So for I am for England, I am for France. So similarly, we just say it in French. So it's je suis pour la France. Je suis pour la France. Je suis, which means I am. So je suis pour la France. Je suis pour le Brésil. Je suis pour l'Espagne. Je suis pour l'Allemagne. So that's it, and this is how you have to say. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you're really excited about the World Cup. That's why this video is going to help you out to learn some important vocabularies regarding football and the World Cup. And guys, please stick with this channel, because I'm going to upload a lot more videos right now, which is going to be useful for the one who loves football, because I'm going to give you some vocabularies regarding that. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and as a homework I would just like to give you that in the comment box below, please write down which team you are supporting in this World Cup. So guys, please stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Till then, au revoir.